Hi friends, welcome to my culinary expressions. Today's refreshing expression is the salted mint lassi or Namkeen Pudina Lassi. Mint lassi is a popular age-old spiced yogurt summer drink with fresh mint, coriander and ginger that people enjoy to cool off in the summer heat. It not only quenches your thirst but also, especially in northwestern parts of India, it shields you from the ghastly summer heat waves. This salted mint lassi is packed with vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for our health. You could enjoy a glass of mint lassi with a hearty Punjabi meal of butter paneer or paneer bhurji and naan. A good fusion idea would be to pair it up with cheese zaatar manakish. Before we proceed to make this Namkeen Pudina Lassi, let me remind my friends who are visiting this channel for the first time, if you would like to receive these expressions with tips and options, then hit the subscription button right away and press the bell icon to receive notifications. My dear friends, do continue to show your support and zeal by your likes and thumbs up. Now let's get started. Here are the ingredients for salted mint lassi or the Namkeen Pudina Lassi. 1 cup of fresh curd or yogurt, could be homemade or store-bought. A small handful of fresh mint leaves. Few sprigs of fresh coriander leaves. 1 green chilli chopped. 1/4 inch piece of ginger grated or chopped. A cup of water, you can adjust according to how much you want. Half teaspoon mix of table salt and pink salt. Half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. All these spices can be adjusted according to your preference and liking. Soon, a detailed description of this recipe will be on my Culinary Expressions blog. I'll update its link in the description box. Firstly, take fresh curd in a blending jar. It shouldn't be an old curd that has been sitting in the fridge for a couple of days. To this, add the fresh mint leaves, coriander leaves. Make sure to use vibrant green colored fresh mint leaves. Discard the brown or yellow leaves. Also add the green chilies and ginger. Now time for the spices, that is add both the kinds of salt, black pepper powder, cumin powder and chaat masala powder. Also add the water. Add chilled water, otherwise you can chill the lassi once it is made. Now blend the lassi. You could use an electrical blender or an electrical beater or a manual beater or a churner. After blending, we will strain the lassi. We strain the lassi because we just want to get the flavor of mint. We do not want to feel the small bits of the leaves or the ginger in our mouth. Add some more water to adjust the consistency as well as to extract the maximum flavors. If you like a charge, then you can add more water to make it dilute. Here is our lassi. So creamy and luscious it looks. For optimum taste, keep it in the fridge for an hour or so, and then you can enjoy this lassi with your meals or breakfast. And you could also manage a quick grub with fenugreek lesun paratha and this salted mint lassi. Some benefits of this thirst quenching summer drink is that it prevents dehydration. It is a probiotic drink and hence good for the wellness of the body. It is rich in calcium and leads to stronger bones and teeth. It strengthens our immune system. Friends, let's beat the heat with this salted mint lassi. I hope you enjoyed this expression. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe Very soon I'll be back with another interesting video. Till then, goodbye. Perhaps you may be interested in some other videos from my archive.